This background is just so messy. Probably the last video you will see me in this background because I am leaving back for school for the rest of the year. Well, I finished school in March, but then I'm like staying there. So yeah, getting stuff done. I want to do a very glowy look, but I also have a couple new products I want to try. I'm trying to do more natural. I don't know what I was gonna say, just more natural look. But yeah, I'm sorry I could not post yesterday. I just had so many family festivities going on. I just need to spend as much time with my family as I can. And also I was assigned a huge major project this break. That was a nice gift from my teachers. Anyway, this is the new foundation I got. It is the Marc Jacobs Youthful-Look Longwear Foundation, and I have the Marc Jacobs concentrate drops, so that's like heavy duty, like full out glam, full coverage mask. But then this one is like the complete opposite. It reminds me a lot of like the MAC Face and Body, except this one there's a bit more coverage, because like I felt with the MAC Face and Body I had to always layer it. It wasn't my amount of coverage, but yet I still wanted it to look natural, and I didn't want to have to layer it. I would say one layer of this is pretty much like 2 or 3 layers of MAC Face and Body, which is like my ideal. So yeah, this is literally like way better in my opinion. Just putting on my hand. But yeah, I'm just going for a very natural look. This is probably going to be a good pre-makeup look for school, I think. Me just practicing this. Or in the new year, we could go all natural. Nothing wrong with that. For some reason, I cannot find my face brush, so this is gonna be interesting. I can just use my fingers. Saves product anyway. Anyway, I hope everyone had a good new year. Hopefully there will be more product reviews on this channel for 2020. So this pretty much just like evens out the skin tone, and then I want to go in one time with a little concealer just to kind of touch up any areas. I think I put a bit too much of that, but whatever. We're just going completely brush free for the most part, I guess, because I cannot find any of my face brushes. Oh yeah, anyway, if you have not noticed, if you like my nails, and I think the colors look so good, honestly. Speaking of 2020 and the new year, just don't be afraid to express yourself in any way you want. I just think this is fun, but this is like a very, very minor thing, but hopefully it gets my point across as to just in regards to you doing basically anything for you. Don't do anything for anyone else's approval. I think this looks cute, so I'm gonna do it. I don't care what anyone else says. But I mean like in regards to job, school, your passions, like anything along those lines. Like don't be afraid to express what you want, make the changes that you want, and just know that everything is in your control. Hence why I just thought I would paint my nails wacky colors. Don't do things to please anyone in 2020. I'm just gonna quickly do brows. Yeah, I really like that foundation. Honestly, like if you already have clear skin, that foundation is all you need, because it obviously will show your imperfections. Or if you just want an even skin tone, I feel like that would be really good, and you don't really care about like acne showing through. I'm just carving my brows a little bit. I've read some comments saying that a lot of you prefer me not doing it, but honestly, I don't know, I just like doing it. Maybe I'll change my mind, honestly. I think maybe I'll stop doing it for a while and then I'll like consider it. I'll reevaluate my whole life on whether or not I should continue doing this. Yeah, we shall see. Yeah, I don't know why I can't find any of my face brushes. I'm going crazy. We're just smudging everything with our fingers. Okay, I tried my best to blend out everything. So now we are just going to do concealer, and this is a new concealer I have never tried before. This is the Becca Aqua Luminous Perfecting Concealer. And it's a super, super thin, or like a very natural concealer. So honestly, yeah, if you want the most natural face base ever, the Marc Jacobs foundation and then the Becca, those two together are literally the most like thinnest, most natural, just like evening out the skin tone purposes only. Like it doesn't really cover much, because I think I still saw some bags when I have used this, but at the same time I love how natural it looks. But yeah, that's what it looks like there. Oh my gosh. But yeah, comment down below what is like the one thing. I'm gonna try to not do my scary eyes for once. We'll see how this works. I feel like I just did it. But comment down below one thing that you feel like you could improve on, and also one goal. And then also the second thing I want you to write down is what is the one thing that you are going to do unapologetically. So as in like doing something for yourself and no one others. So as in like as small as this, or as big as changing your career path or your passion in life, like going for what you want, or maybe confessing something to someone that you've been holding back for a while, or just doing something scary that will push you into growing into the best possible version of yourself, because I feel like that is super important. Okay, this actually doesn't look as bad as I thought. That actually covers up like quite a bit of stuff. I'm not mad at that. So I'm actually going to be doing just all cream, I think, today. This foundation, apparently, it says that it is self-setting. So apparently you don't need to put powder on it. I've actually tried this once before and I never tried putting powder on it, and I never got oily throughout the day. So they might be onto something. So I'm just gonna take this random brush and I'm going to use this contour cream shade. This is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Wipeout color correcting palette. I don't really use anything else from this. I honestly just use the bronzing. I never have been, I thought I was gonna get into color correcting, but honestly I haven't been into it as much as I thought. But I'm definitely digging the contour shade because it's like the most natural contour shade ever. I even think this brush is meant for cream, but this was like the only brush I had. But my texture is definitely improving. For some reason, I have so much pimples on my like cheeks. I used to never ever break out there, but for some reason, I don't know what it is. Something in my body wants me to break out there, and I'm still trying to figure out what is going on in that regard. Also this year, I want to be able to go to a naturopath, and also maybe if I could find a plant-based dietitian, because I know for sure it's something digestive. And again, like, I don't know, it may be excess fiber. I swear it's something to do with that, because again, before I went plant-based, I never had acne in my life. And then as soon as I started eating more fruits and vegetables and stuff, that's when I started getting acne. So I don't know, it can't be the actual like fruits and vegetables themselves. I think it's probably something to do with the fiber. I really don't know, but that is why I have not been making too many what I eat in a day videos, because yes, I do eat healthy, but then I think those specific foods may have something to do with my digestion. So I don't know. Why do diets have to be so much more complicated than they should be? But I was put in a situation like this to learn from it, I'm hoping, because I am so annoyed. But yeah, that in itself like messed me up so bad. That messed with my head. Because I'm like, I'm eating so much, literally no processed food, nothing but fruits and vegetables. And how come now my body decides it wants acne? It's just the weirdest thing ever. Anyway, I'm taking this like color. This is so old. I honestly don't know if I should use this or not, but I'm like, whatever. Actually, I didn't even set my under eyes. Maybe that's like the only thing I should probably set with powder. I feel like everything else is pretty good, but I feel like just to make my eyes not crease, I should probably set it with powder. So I'm just gonna use this Real Techniques setting brush. Perfect for under eye area. And usually the more natural you want to look, the less powder you should probably use. So I'm going to use this liquid stuff. Oh my god, taking the tiniest bit of this color. It's a nice deep color, and I feel like it'd be so good, not just blush but also lips. I want to kind of match it up. Yeah, it's like a super dark color, but I feel like it looks so pretty. Like it kind of lightens up the more you sheer it out. I just want to put a bit on his cheek. We are just going to do an all brush-free makeup look, other than the eyebrows, I guess, and the carving. But other than that, oh wait, never mind. And then never mind. I just love how blush looks, and I could always sheer it out if I put too much, and then I'll just take the excess and just do that. I feel like it looks really natural. Hello. Okay, so I just fixed my blush to make it not as like cray cray. And then I'm just gonna use this highlight, a Wet n Wild. This is gonna be the only powder I'll be using because I don't have too many liquid highlighters. I do actually, this is really nice. It's Hard Candy Liquid Illuminating. I don't know if I should use it though. But it's not like it's too white. I feel like it's just not, I don't know, this is just a nice subtle pink. I don't know if I should risk it. I feel like this is like pretty good, honestly. This is just the Wet n Wild Precious Petals, I think. It's a super subtle highlight. But yeah, I feel like I don't need too much. But yeah, I don't want too much highlight because I still want it to look natural. So that'll be that. And also because you don't want to highlight any texture on your skin because then it might stand out. Yeah, 2020 is a whole new like, I know, like, I'm gonna get my gut in check. I'm gonna get everything straightened out this year. I'm just sick of my acne. I mean, I love it because it helped me grow so much as a person, and I feel like everyone should at least experience it once, because it really, like, you don't know how humble you are until you actually get something or actually go through something like that. But at the same time, I feel like I learned so much from it. It's like, okay, I'm kind of ready to move on now. I don't know. Bottom line though, I'm going to get everything in order, everything in check. Okay, so I think I'm going to just put on mascara, and I think this is pretty much it. I feel like this is a pretty short video because it's just very natural. Again, I don't know how to zoom in on this thing. I should have probably asked, or maybe this. Wait, is this how you? Woo! Hey! Okay. My other cameras, you don't turn the lens. This one you do, apparently. Okay, so now I just figured out how to zoom. I'm not mad at that. Okay, wow, I could have just done that and I would have solved things way faster last video. I'm just too scared to touch everything because, like, I don't know if I'll break it. So I'm just gonna quickly put on mascara, but I think I'm gonna put on some lashes just for a little subtle volume underneath the lashes, because honestly, I am just like so used to the look and how natural applying lashes underneath the eye instead of on top of it looks like. I really like that whole look, because yeah, my lashes, they're looking real rough. So I think it's time to start wearing falsies, but also I have a lash appointment on Monday, so I shall get things in line there. Also, I was thinking of getting my nails done, but then I'm just like, you know what? I love to play guitar, I love to play piano, and I'm a music person, and I'm just like, I could follow that and what everyone's doing with like false fingernails, but at the end of the day, I still am me, and for me to be me fully, I can't be able to express myself fully through music if I have nails, you know what I'm saying? So at least this is like close enough. Because yeah, there's no way as much as I want them and as much as I love the look of them, I need to be able to play my instruments. I'm sorry. Anyway, so I'm gonna apply some lashes. I think I'm gonna do this off camera because it's been a while, but I'll be right back to you with my lashes. Finally, I'm done my lashes. That took a hot minute. I'm so not used to wearing lashes because of the extensions, but again, I won't have to wear falsies as of Saturday, or no, Monday. But anyway, I think that's pretty much it. Like, I just want to do a very simple look that doesn't really take too much effort. Minus the lashes, that's like the only thing. But I like how they look. I also had to cut them because I didn't want them as intense. I just wanted them to get natural. So measuring them, and that was a whole thing. But anyway, I'm gonna top it off with Tarte Ready Set Radiant Skin Mist. Oh yeah, I already applied a gloss from Wet n Wild. Oh, this one. It's Mega Slicks Lip Gloss in the shade Sun Glaze. And it's like it's like a white, honestly, shade. It's weird. Oh my. That just really makes everything look nice and natural. Nothing like a good setting mist. It's not even a setting spray, honestly. It's just like a straight up face mist that I think is supposed to be used as skincare, but makeup has no rules. So yeah, anyway, that is my look. It's very natural. Let me zoom in again. Took a while for me to figure out how to zoom in on this thing, but yeah, these are my lashes. This is my skin. So again, it definitely is improving, but like with the B5, of course, it is improving. I don't know why. I just feel so weird relying on supplements for my acne or medication or anything like that. Like, I literally need to dive down on what the actual problem is. So that's why I want to be able to save up for like a naturopath, a dietitian, just some maybe some tests, all that kind of stuff, hormones checked, everything. Hopefully this will be the year for me to just kind of figure out all that situation, because again, like I said, I learned a lot from my acne, but again, I think it's time to move on. But I don't know, we'll see. I can only hope, and we'll see what happens. But yeah, anyway, I hope you have a good day, good night, wherever you're watching this. Please subscribe if you want to see more of me. I post every Sunday and Thursday. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any video I post. All my socials and all my links to the products and everything is going to be down below. And I hope to see you in the next video. Okay. Peace.